Hello my YouTube friends, today we discuss a assembly language program of 8085. Write an assembly language program to copy a block of data having starting address 4500H to the new location starting from 4600H. The length of block is stored at memory location 44FFH. So that in this program the count, that is length of block, is at given 44FFH, and you have copy how many length is given in 44FFH, that all location content to the 4600H. So that we first instruction is given LXI H44FFH, that is you initialize length here, and you get that length into C register, move C comma M, which copy the length, that is count, in M to the C. Then LXI D4600H is given for this instruction. For this instruction, the destination location is initialized, that is where you copy content, that new location is initialized into the DE pair. Then incremented H, INX H is increment HL, that is source location is incremented by 1. Then move A comma M, that means copy M register which is addressed by HL to A, that is HL address is 4500H, that content is copied to A register. And STXD, which STXD means what? Store content of A to D pair, that is D pair is initialized 4600H, that content is copied to the A. Then INXD increment DE, that is 4601H is incremented here, then count is decremented here, and the count, that is loop continue till the C is 0, that is it is executed as length, maximum length, then decremented, then decremented, then decremented, and your program is stopped when C count is 0. How it is? See practically with simulator kit. I will be give here a program with simulator kit. See here, I will be typed this program into microprocessor 8085 simulator kit. LXIH45 is given as like this given. I will be execute this program here. I execute this program here, then you will be see length of block is 44FF05, that is source location 4500, H content 11 22 33 44 55. It is copied to 4600H, same as. Again I will be execute, again I will be give 00, and again I will be execute this program, and after that you will be seen here the 4500H to 4504H content is same copy to 4600H and onward. And by executing this instruction, the flag are affected is seen here. S is equal to 0, Z is equal to 1, auxiliary carry equal to 1, parity is equal to 0, and carry is equal to 0. Then in exam you will be only write a instruction with their mnemonic and operand, label and comment, as like this is seen, as like this is seen in your presentation. So I will be hope you will be understand this concept, that is in this concept the copy block given length. Then same program is we discuss now here, a copy and 8085 programming, but you have given a length, a fixed length from 2501H to 2505H. That means you will be count from 2501H, that is 2501H 2502H, 2503H, 2504H, 2505H. That means your count is 5, and that 5 content is copied to 3501H. That is copied to 3501H, 3502H, 3503H, and onward. So that MVIC, 05H, it is initialize a count, that is initialize set count in C register. Why it is 05? Because you in program you will be given 2501H to 2505H. You will be count 2501H to 2505H. The count is 5, so that here you will be given 05 here. And after that LXID instruction is given, that is initialize your source block, that is 2501H to 2505H, here DE pair, and LXIH, here a source block where you copy that location is initialized in HL, so that LXID, that is load accumulator into DE pair, that is in accumulator the content of your 2501H is come, that is copied to 3501H. Then content of A is copied to M, then increment HL, INX H increment HL, that is 3502H is here, and INX D increment D pair, that is 2502H here, and your program checks the content of C is 0 or not 0. If it is non-zero, then again it will be goes to jump to loop and till the program is executed C not equal C is 0. That is when C is 0, then your program is ended HLT. That how it is see practically. I will be demonstrate it is by practically. Here same C register is given, it is initialized 05H, LXID is given 2501H, LXIH 3501H, and here loop is executed. Then I will be execute this program step by step. Suppose here, see here how it is executed. C is not equal to 0, so that it is again goes to loop, again goes to loop, again goes to loop, and your program is stopped till your C equal to 0. So that here you can be seen that 2501H to 2505H, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 is copied to this 3501H to 3505H. When I will be changes here, that also changes in program. I hope you will be understand this concept. So after discussing this point, we will be discuss now next same program. Here your fixed count is given, that is write an ALP to copy 10 consecutive bytes, that is your count is 10, and memory location is initialized from 2025H2 onward, and your copy location, that is where you copy from BCH2 onward, is copy the 10 bytes. So that here the first instruction is given MVIC 0AH. Why it is given? Because in program 10 consecutive byte is mentioned, so that I will be take here C0AH, that is in C the count 0AH is initialized. Then in HL pair LXIH 2025, that is source block is initialized. In LXID BCH, that is destination block is initialized, that is 20252 onward, that is 10 location onward, that copy to a destination block BCH and onward till it is C not equal to C is 0, so that here move A comma M, that is HL content, that is 2 HL is initialized as source block 2025 and onward 10 byte, that is copied to A, and STXD which copy continuously content of A to D pair. That means you copy here here this logic move a comma m stxd inxah incremented